Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily create a bootable USB for this Linux distribution. Open your browser and type CAINE and hit enter. If you don't see the appropriate one, just CAINE Linux and hit enter again. And here you will see CAINE-live.net. Click on it. Here we have been redirected to the official website of this distribution. So scroll down until you see download or just look for downloads. It's on the right, click on downloads. And here we will have several options. And I'm gonna scroll down and I want CAINE, the latest version. As of today is the 14.0 since no newer version has been downloaded. So we're going to click CAINE 14 and the download begin. You might need to wait up to 5, 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes based on how fast is your internet. I'm gonna just pause the video here, and once the download is done, I will show you the ISO file. So here I have the CAINE ISO file has been downloaded. I double click on it to see the files. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, it should mount it for you in the PC shortcut. It might take a few seconds. Now, since we have it, we can burn it using Rufus. We can burn it into a USB flash drive or into an SD card, or we can even install it on them so that we can use them as mini computers. So here we have all the ISO contained files. To begin, we are going to download Rufus software. So in the browser, type Rufus and hit enter. At this stage, click directly on Off Downloads under the Rufus website. Wait few seconds and it will be redirected to this page. Here, there will be several options. However, we are going to select the one compatible with Windows, the one which we can run on Windows. It ends with this extension, exe. For Linux or for Mac, you will have different options. So we're just going to select the first one. If you are not able to reach here, just go back to the website, type on the title or the name of the website, scroll down, and here you will be able to download. So we are going to download the standard version. You can also get the portable version. It goes back to the same. Once the download is completed, just click on it and double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. The software will take a few seconds and then it should appear on the desktop. We're just waiting. Yeah, here it comes. It might take a few seconds. And here we have Rufus ready to be used. As a next step, we're going to set up the ISO file using the Rufus in our storage device. If it's an USB flash drive or an SD card, it works the same, or even an external hard disk. So to begin, select the correct device. If you don't know which one, just make sure to plug a USB flash drive or any SD card, empty, not containing any data, to your computer. Locate it and read the letter next to it. So here it's letter F, and here it's exactly letter F in case the names are similar. Disk or ISO image, click select. Locate your ISO files. Here I have the CAINE ISO file. Double click, it gets selected. Leave the settings by default as the same: MBR, partition scheme, BIOS or UEFI for target system. The name has been changed automatically. FAT32, that's the type of files, so everything here by default. Just do not check device for bad blocks, leave it as it is, and click start. Click OK, and click The image uses grub, but the application only includes the installation as different, maybe not compatible with another. Uh, the file will be downloaded in the current application. I will just go ahead and click yes in case I face this. I will again click yes, click OK, and the process shall start. You see the device has disappeared and it will be reappearing again in the coming minutes. At this stage, it's deleting the partitions and creating new partitions in the storage device. So for now, just pause the video since the process is progressing, and I will show you what to do next. If you face any error during any of these processes, just type the error name in the comment section, and we will do our best to help you to fix it. You can go ahead and click close. It should say ready. You can go ahead and click close. Wait a few seconds. Click on your storage device and look for all the files that has been created. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.